Sarma back again with my new video. In this video, this is not my regular video teaching coding and all this stuff, but this is video on that. Many people ask on my Telegram channel and personally in my colleges, my friend, that how to master any programming language. Okay, today's topic is that how to master any programming language. I am going to teach you that. Okay, first of all, let me go on YouTube. Okay, and then whenever I youtube.com, whenever people ask me that how to master any programming language, so here's my some beautiful tip, so that you will master the programming language within the end of this 3 month, like winter arc in this 3 month, and starting 2025 you will master the all the fundamental and all the more advanced thing of the any programming language. So before diving into the list of programming trends, here the fundamentals you need to understand. Okay, what are the key features that I'm talking about? You need to understand. Okay, first of all you need to choose your primary language. Okay, before choosing your primary language, let us think that many people choose Python. Okay, it is good that Python is an major programming language, but you need to think that if you are studying in college in bachelor degree, your major language might be an C, C++, JavaScript, or even a Python. So before diving into an programming concept, you need to understand all the fundamentals. Okay, and that just I'll just Python. Okay, for Python I'll go to sorry, not this. For Python I'll go for python.org, and I'll read from there. Okay, all documentation are there, so you no need to understand the all things that you require. Just simply go to docs, and then after you will find everything Python, all this file. And then after fundamentals. Okay, if you want to learn any programming language, you need to be clear with the all fundamentals. Okay, for example, for this fundamental I'll suggest you to go Java Point. Okay, and Java Point is best thing. I've learned many things from Java Point, and you can go on W3 school. Okay, but I like to refer Java Point. Okay, because in this concept are more clear. Okay, in like Web3 there are certain concept. Okay, focus problem solving. Okay, people thinks that by learning any programming language they will master that programming language. Okay, it is not look like that. Okay, here we can use basic example. If you solve math example problem, it does not mean that you can solve other problems. Okay, if you solve math example problem, math example given, then if you solve that example but you cannot solve that question because your focus and problem solving is not improved. So let me go here. There was some website that called no need to go to lead coder, that what Python something, it was Python questions like that. Okay, data camp, I think it is data camp or what. I exactly don't know the question. Okay, but here read I just suggest you to read that interview type question. Okay, if you learn the interview type question, then it might help in your future. Okay, what you are going to learn, and then what are the some basic. Okay, understand while doing question. Okay, you need to solve question. Okay, Python question for practice. Okay, some W3 resources. Okay, you will find all the W3 resources. I forgot the site name. Okay, I'll mention in this all site in my description channel. Okay, so no need to go search, click on there. Okay, you will find all this type of question. Okay, like multiple threading exercise with solution. Okay, you will find everything here. Okay, write a program to call multiple threads. Okay, if you want to learn, this is the base site. Okay, you can just simply type here, and you can just run here. Okay, they will just do this. Okay, many people ask me how to make this our own Python console. Okay, this is not very hard, but you can just make a basic Python controller. I'll make on new video. I make on new video. Okay, this I've done like make a multiple type of controller. So no need to worry. And then after okay, building project. Okay, building project, main thing that you need to build project. Okay, what I every time I suggest that people understand coding while building project. Okay, I'll suggest to use I have just pinned my here. I suggest to use that code craft own X. Okay, this is an build your own X. Okay, you can just find different kind of open source. Okay, but there are not so all kind of sources. But if you want to make blockchain cryptocurrency, okay, you build your own blockchain Python. Okay, let us introduce to blockchain. Okay, there people will just simply go and build their blockchain. Okay, if you want to learn, you can learn from here. Okay, like first of all, I told you that you need to have you need to choose your primary language. Okay, if you choose your primary language, think that how can you earn money with this. Okay, this is for future things or not. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm just doing this simple. I'm just making an website for some institution like foreign institution. Let me show you. This is just a basic part, so please guys don't this is just an I'm just creating this like what I'll say. Let me show you. This for an consultancy. So you forgot syntax error. Where syntax error? Okay. Okay, this problem might be occur. Oh, sorry. Syntax error. What it's called? Syntax error. Authentication back in. Okay. What was not close? Okay. What is problem showing? Let me just ask to ChatGPT. I don't want to be involved while solving this. You can use ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is one of the best resources to do coding. Okay, although don't copy things from here. Just see what is this issue, and then after just apply here. Okay, I know what missing. So I'll just run server here. Okay, my best advice for you to do is that just like do use understand React. Okay, if you understand React, then you will understand everything. For this now trend, you need to learn React. Okay, React is one of the most popular framework now. Okay, let me use demo. I think why it not working. Let me just directly. Today I feel so much bored. Uh, so there has the demo part. Let me show you in demo park how it's look like. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention anything. Okay, I'll show you that where it was. I've created that in my folder. I think I'm working on that project. Okay, that one consultancy project, like building their website. Okay, this one is just a demo. I've shown their demo project. How it will look that their content and codes. Okay, all thing just like their codes about all this. I just made a simple project. Okay, don't expect me to do like make different project. This is a simple project. I am not give written any bulk program, so you can just estimate that. Okay, back to our thing. Okay, first of all you need to have complete all this type of question. Okay, if you complete all this type of question, then only you are going to get like real time experience. Okay, something there was real time job, something it was real time job experience in Python. If you want to do it my major language. Okay, real time real life Python real time. You can just simply go in LinkedIn. Okay, you can just search here. Okay, how it's work. Okay, functionalities, these are the basic app. Okay, okay, just if you want to do understand the project, I have just making different kind of project. Okay, I'll just whenever, okay, people think just like Python for beginners. If you go for Python for beginner, okay, you will find different course. Okay, programming with Moss, okay, code with Harry brother and Apna college, and then after Sadha, that only Moss. If you want to learn, okay, you can learn this recent code with Harry video. But I suggest you that if you want to learn this all things, okay, just like that, they might be an old videos. Okay, people still do not teach these new fundamentals of the video. Okay, they like teach you old method. Okay, but there are method changing day to day life, so you need to understand have the all method. Okay, so like new things were there, Python updated. Okay, just like new ways. Okay, people are still doing in old ways. Okay, you need to be updated with new time and technology. You need to use AI. Okay, you can just, if you have chat gpt 4K, you can give me new coding, just like coding idea for Python. Okay, if you search like this, okay, you will see a different thing. Okay, compared to the what people taught in this thing. Okay, so just like that personal tracker, social media bot, they are the project. Okay, you can do this thing. Otherwise, the code is updated day to day life. Okay, coding style, writing style, all format change. Just like if there are two person. Okay, one is okay, let me just write here. Okay, uh, one is Ram. Okay, and another is Sam. Okay, Ram just use old method. Okay, old method, and Sam use new method, like new technology, learning with AI, building AI things. Okay, what are the chances of getting the job? He have like 90%, Sam have 90%, Ram has 60% chance. Okay, 60% chance. This might be a drastic change for the people, or might be an things that why people don't get job with valid degree and knowing programming language. You need to be you need to be learn new things, just like that. This might be a long video, so thank you so much.